Do I need a real estate website? Yes, you do. Hello and welcome to another episode of Brand New, the one show that focuses on attraction-based marketing in the real estate industry. So if you're into that, make sure you hit the subscribe button somewhere around this video. My name is Mike Cuevas, the real estate marketing dude, and on this video I'm going to share with you exactly why you should have a website, at least if you want to build a personal brand and attract a lot more. Now the reason why your website is so important is because your website is where you host all of the content. It's almost like your online digital storefront. You see, the only way you're going to build a brand, or anyone for that matter, is through consistent communication and content creation to the same audience over time. Now, let me explain this to you in a different way. Would you hire you if you visited your website? And be completely honest here. Literally go online, click on your website and analyze it and say, would I hire me? You see, the content that is on your site is what allows people to get to know you, get an idea of sort of how you roll and how you do business, and more importantly, see if they even like you. But it's also the content that you create which also demonstrates that you are the absolute expert and the authority in your market and the right person to hire for the job. You see, if you don't have a real estate website, where are you going to place all the content that you're going to create? And yes, you do need to create content in 2020 and beyond. If not, how else are you engaging and staying in front of your database and your entire local community? So as you start to create content for your real estate business, here's the process I would recommend following. 1, create some content that people search for or that remind people that you're in real estate. 2, take that content, make sure you post it back on your website, preferably write a blog post underneath it so that people can visit that content at another time. 3, take that very content and multi-purpose it to your YouTube channel for rank, and then also direct all of the social media channels, your Facebook, your Instagram, wherever you post your real estate video or your real estate content, link them back to your website. See, creating content is an excuse to start a conversation, but you equally have to be able to take that conversation back to your home base, aka your website. A term I like to say a lot is, have you ever gone on Travelocity and booked the place for the vacation or the hotel that had no reviews? Well, that's exactly why people won't call or hire the real estate agent or the lender that has not even a website, but no content on their website. So in other words, what your website should be is a place for you to host all of the content that demonstrates that you're the right person for the job, as well as enough content that people can get an idea or a better idea of how you are and who you are as an individual to see if they even like working with you in the first place. So the short answer to my question is, do you need a real estate website? Is yes, you do. But secondly, your website is only going to be good as the content on it. I really hope this video helped you understand the importance of having a real estate website and why you need to do one, at least if you're thinking about playing the long game in real estate and building a strong personal brand that attracts business. Thanks so much for watching another episode of Brand New. If you like the information you saw here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel above and stay tuned to our weekly series. And if you have any additional questions and you need something to help kick your ass and get you started in the video marketing game, maybe you just need to hire a real estate marketing dude. You can do so by visiting our website at realestatemarketingdude.com, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram and on Facebook as well, and hopefully we'll hear from you soon. Thanks so much for watching another episode. See you on the next one. Peace!